Welcome to this Solid Mastermind top tip for Solid Edge. Before we start, remember you can access many more of these great videos by registering for a free Top Tips membership over at solidmastermind.com. In this session, we'll look at how we can control the orientation of a part when it is dragged into an assembly from the parts library. Often when we initially drag a part into an assembly, it is in the wrong orientation, and as such, using flash fit, it can be difficult to visualize where the part needs to go or pick the right faces to position it. In addition to this, flash fit may choose the wrong relationship, as it does this based on the relative position of the part. Obviously this is no problem, as we have various ways of overriding these defaults within the flash fit command. However, did you know we can make the process easier by controlling the orientation of the part before we drag it in? Let's see how. The parts library pane by default has a preview at the bottom. This preview pane is interactive, and we can use the standard Solid Edge view manipulation shortcuts to rotate, pan and zoom the preview. Remember, these are activated by using a combination of Control, Shift and the right mouse button. When we have an appropriate view of the part, we can drag it in and it will appear in the assembly at the very same orientation, hopefully making the placement of it easier. By default, you'll find that only part models are interactive, and assemblies are just static images. This is simply to speed up the display of the preview. If you would like to make assemblies interactive too, then simply right-click in any white space within the parts library and choose the preview option. Here we'll make assemblies interactive too. Notice that it is also possible to turn the preview completely off if required. We'll leave it on. Now assemblies are interactive too. If you liked this video, please comment on it using the space below. And remember, to access many more of these great Solid Edge videos, please register for a free Top Tips membership over at solidmastermind.com.